I think we are live a little bit earlier than scheduled. Just want to wait for someone to join. Yeah, a lot of notifications on my account. Hey. Hello, guys. Just want to wait for someone to join the live. And yeah, we are talking about DevOps. And this is the roadmap for becoming a successful DevOps. And we're talking about tools, technologies that we should use, or you should use, to become a successful DevOps. Who is live? Hello. Concurrent viewers. There's one viewer. OBS is great. Okay, this is Gitmind. First time I use, so I discover with you. What is important is to understand how to create nodes, subnodes, like, this is fourth one. When you have what can I do now is like, so learn programming languages. This is DevOps Roadmap. Do we have a viewer? Something? Problem with the widget or what? Okay, I don't mind. Get used to do more lives. So learn programming languages, and we have the server administration 3. Can I maybe write like, let's do this. Learn programming languages. Second one is server administration. Delete this one for the moment. This one I want to delete. I want to delete. 3, yeah, server 3 is network and security. 4, we have servers. So we'll see this in more detailed then. So 5, we have pretty hot topic at the moment, infrastructure as code, EAC. We have another one, a good one, CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous delivery. Let's see if someone is live. Oh, I can also do like this. Hope that the music is not too loud, guys. What do we have next? We have 7 is monitoring and logging tools. It's a pretty good one as well. Okay, great. Where do we have some kind of a zoom or something? Okay, this will be nice for us. I like this tool, guys. All right, so we'll stay like so until at least 11. Waiting for you guys having maybe questions or something. So we will start from this one. We have for the first path, to take, learn programming languages. We have 4 sub branches. Not so. Okay. The first one is Python. And of course, in comments, you could argue this one, I disagree, or I agree with you. It's up to you, but just mentioning 4 main languages. I don't know. That's what I found more interesting for you. In 2022, Golang, it's quite important, I think. We have JavaScript, how to not mention JavaScript. And the 4th one, candidate, is Ruby. I'll also maybe add like Java. So you have to master one of them, or maybe 2. Let's say JavaScript and more multi-thread language like Java or Golang. Or Python and Java, or Python, JavaScript and Java. Okay. Here we have 3 branches for server administration, and this one is Linux, Unix in general, and Windows.
JetBrains MPS is an open source tool to express your domain specifics in the form
Do
of
we have Linux, Unix, and let's see if I see someone. Oh, we have we're talking about hello to you. Okay, let's continue this. Linux, Unix, Windows. This is it for server administration. Network and security. We have 2 branches. The first one is TCP/IP. Let's continue this. Linux, Unix, Windows. This is TCP/IP fundamentals. This is essential for becoming DevOps. You have to get networks and protocols, fundamentals, and knowledges. Also, when you do interviews as sysadmin or DevOps, recruiters will ask you different questions, several questions on protocols, DNS, HTTP, networks in general. So we can say here protocols, DNS, HTTPs, FTP, SSL. That's it for network and security. Just Wanna wait gently a couple more minutes. You can say here protocols, DNS. Okay, we start to go in servers. This has become more interesting. What do we have here? 3 main sub branches. In servers we have web servers, caching, and this is database. Okay, what I mean by web servers. Let's split this in yeah, 3 or 4 like. So web servers are Apache web servers, one of them. Nginx, the most popular Docker image for creating a server for your container. Tomcat, and yeah, another one maybe in mind. Apache. It's called Jetty, I think so. Yeah. Becoming interesting. So in caching, what do we have in caching? We have the most popular is Redis. Memcache. From yeah, Apache project. So in caching, what do we have in caching? What do we have in database? We have 2 main other sub branches, and this is everything about NoSQL, and the other one is SQL. We can split them in both in 4 sub branches. We have 2 main other sub branches. So NoSQL and SQL. We have MongoDB, of course. We have Cassandra. We can split them in both in 4 sub branches. DynamoDB, and the last one is Google Data Store. We have MongoDB, of course. Google Data Store, and SQL we have Oracle DB. We have DynamoDB, MySQL or MariaDB. Most popular PostgreSQL. I don't never know why it's PostgreSQL. And we have MS-SQL. And this is all for servers. Okay. Drop a comment, question if it's not clear. Also, if you're new to the chat room, this is it. This is it. We have for the moment 8 main branches. So I remember: learn programming languages, server admin, network and security, 4 servers, infrastructure as code, CI/CD, monitoring and logging. And we have started from learn programming languages. So we have Python, Golang, JavaScript, Ruby, Java. This is to validate, to review. I don't know what you're thinking about. Server admin, Linux, Unix, Windows, TCP/IP, fundamentals, networks in general, protocols, all of this stuff. And in 4 we have servers, that it's divided into 3 sub branches: web servers, caching, database.
Server admin,
And we have all of them.
Linux, Unix, Windows,
And infrastructure as code.
fundamentals,
Let's do this.
in general, protocols, all this.
Okay, how
We
many
have,
sub-branches
servers
do we
that's
have here?
divided into 3
It's quite interesting. I think I'd say this is one of the most interesting parts of the DevOps. We have the
we have all of them.
configuration management.
Okay, how many sub-branches
We have the container one.
we have here? It's quite interesting.
Orchestrators or container orchestrators.
Configuration.
And I have the infrastructure.
You have the container one.
Provisioning.
Orchestrators or container orchestrators.
Okay, configuration management. We have 4
And I have
sub-branches.
the infrastructure.
First one is, you know, this tool, of course, Ansible,
Provisioning.
Puppet, Chef,
Okay,
and
configuration
Salt
management,
Stack.
we have,
So, just to be clear, these are tools. You don't have to master all of them. It's just an idea. It's a roadmap. You can maybe just take one of them. But it's important today because companies are looking for this kind of tools. It's pretty modern, and these are in-demand skills, most paid.
These are tools. You don't have to
Job are
It's just an idea. It's
DevOps and all of
maybe just take one of them. But it's important.
all of this
today
kind of
because companies are
jobs
looking
with
for
this kind of
It's very
tools.
modern, and
Container, we have
skills.
start with Docker.
Job are DevOps.
Podman, I'd say also
All these kind of
Rancher.
jobs with this kind of tools. Container, we have
Containerd, yeah.
start with Docker.
Container orchestrators.
Podman, I'd say also
We have Kubernetes.
Rancher.
We have OpenShift. And we also have
Container
Nomad
orchestrators.
and Docker Swarm.
We have Kubernetes.
And for the service of hosting this kind of infrastructure as code, we have, of course, Terraform,
and
some
we also
AWS,
have, Nomad and
CloudFormation,
and for the service
Azure template,
hosting this kind of infrastructure as code, we have of course Terraform, some AWS,
and Google Deployment Manager.
CloudFormation,
Okay,
Azure template,
and this is it. We have now CI/CD. This is great, DevOps Roadmap. I like it. We have
okay.
Jenkins.
This is it.
So we have a lot of tools
We
here.
have now CI/CD.
You don't have to master. Maybe just have a couple of them, 3 maybe, knowledges. It was CI/CD. Circle CI.
We have a lot of tools here.
Travis CI.
Maybe just have
We have AWS code pipeline. We have Google Cloud Build. How not to mention, I was forgetting, GitLab CI. We have a Bitbucket pipeline, and last but not least, GitHub Actions. Hello guys, hey buddy, Daira Aurora, please can you tell me a good resource to learn Docker? Okay, this is a great question. I'd say my channel, but of course I'm not a DevOps pro or specialist or someone who does a lot of videos on that. The first thing that you can do, Aurora, is to go on Docker blog, and you have a lot of posts here, and I regularly see all of them. You have a lot of posts and from the Docker community. And you can also join the channel on Docker. I am one of the members here. In the announcement, they always keep this wall posted. You have a lot of topics, general, Docker Compose, all of kind of helps you have. And browse YouTube, browse, you know, one of the other is also Digitalocean Blog. This is nice. Maybe I'd say tutorials one. You have all of the stuff here. Ubuntu, Linux basics, Docker, Kubernetes, you know, very full of posts here. And on my channel I've done videos concerning Docker Podman. So get started having containerization knowledges, and the rest is tool. I hope I answered to your questions. Thank you to you, brother. All right, so we continue with this monitoring and logging. What do we have here? So two main branches. So we have monitoring. All right, so we continue with this monitoring and logging. What do we have here? Okay, here as well. This is tool. You know, we know Grafana, Prometheus. You know, something like this. Not. I wanna throw 100 of tools. This is Kibana, I think it's. What the heck is it? Yeah, Kibana over Elastic. So I'd say yeah, Elastic, Kibana, you know, or maybe it's yeah. Logging is it's one we are currently using in where I work. We have ELK. We have Greylog. Lots of love to you. Thank you, man. I hope you're doing great, Aurora Daria. Sorry if I mispronounced your name and surname. Yes, thank you to you, and I wish you a great Saturday, and whatever you leave, all the best. And greeting from Switzerland. French Switzerland. Okay, we are almost to the end. So clouds we have. What am I writing? Azure. GCP. We have OpenStack. Oli Cloud. Clouds. Another tool is EBM. Bluemix. We have OpenStack. We are done. We are done. So, all of these tools, as I said before, you don't have to master it. Just a path is an idea. You can pick other tools. For example, in servers, web servers, everything in NoSQL, SQL. There are plenty of tools. Server admin, network. You can change. You can modify. This is not mandatory. And infrastructure as code. Today there are tons and tons of tools. You can pick the one you like, that you feel comfortable with. There are plenty of tools. Where can we connect? Okay, I think you mean subscribe to my channel and check my videos and drop a comment, bro. It's a pleasure to connect with you. Stay in tune with my videos. And if I have a chance in time, I will respond to you, man. So what I wanted to do is important or important. I wanted to do something like answer comments, focus. And if I have a chance in time, I will respond. New mind map. Do we have like color or something? Clear style. Alright, maybe it's a free version. I don't have colors in this. Yeah, I basically wanted to add just colors, but it's icon. Theme. Flag. What is this? This flag what? And I basically wanted to add just colors, but I cannot see anything. Icons. Theme. Flag. What is this? This flag what? And insert icon. Oh, I don't know. Oh, okay, it's like this. Okay. Can't drag and drop. I like to do this. I wanted to do this one, insert, something. Oh, okay, it's like this. Okay. Never mind. So let's say let's do something like this. Normal, like green or something. just subscribe to you, and hopefully you will be helping me in my DevOps journey. Okay, I will post not regularly because since last month I work full time, but yeah, I want to make my channel more like infrastructure DevOps and not only code and tutorials. There are tons of YouTubers that do better than me, code and tutorials. So, but I like to have my hands in the code, of course, and I will try to do regularly DevOps and automation videos. The next one will be something like Docker versus Podman. So Podman is becoming very, very popular at the moment. So it's something that you consider learning now. So you choose Docker or Podman. I've did a couple of videos on this, so check my channel. So this is like very important, normal. But I want to change this. So Python. Oh, never mind. This isn't something that I want to do like a legend or something. But so this is it. It's a pretty big one, but hope you guys enjoyed. We are at the end of this this live. Thank you for what I'm talking about and Diarrhea Aurora to joining this live, and thank you for your support, man, for subscribing. I appreciate this, and I will end this. I will end this live. And I hope you will drop comments on my channels, and thank you again for the support. And guys, I will see you in the next videos. I appreciate you stop by on this live, and I wish you a great Saturday and a good weekend to you guys. Bye.